man who's in the world may turn against him and become his enemy. His son or daughter that he has reared with loving care may prove ungrateful. Those who are nearest and dearest to us, those whom we trust with our happiness and our good names may become traitors to the enemy. A money that a man has, he may lose. It flies away from him, perhaps when he needs it. He gave all the happiness to those people who love him, making himself funny just to make people happy. Growing with him is not like an ordinary friend. It's just like a strangers in the first, but when you get closer, it goes friendship until the end. He will, he living here in the world is not like a human. We must give them a love and care, just to show them that he is just not a dog. It's not just a dog, but a good and loyal like a human. He will kiss the hand that has no food to offer. He will lick the wound and sores that come in and encounters with the roughness of the world. He guards the sleep of his pauper master as if he were a prince. When all other friends desert, he remains. When reputations fall to pieces, he is constant in his love as the sun in its journey through the heavens.
Thanks.